Okay, in this question number 2, select all, which probably means more than one. Select all the expressions that have the same value as 765 divided by 8. I'd like to write 765 divided by 8 like a fraction or maybe a ratio to see if we are multiplying or dividing each by the same value. So if you look at A and I write down what I see, divided by 8 thousandths, I want to see if I am multiplying by the same number. So actually, if I'm getting something smaller, I'm dividing. So I'm dividing by 1,000 here because I have moved the decimal 3 places to the left. Let me see if I've done the same thing. Have I divided by 1,000? And I moved the decimal 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I have. I have the same exact value. All I've done is make equivalent ratios. So let's do the next one. I'm going to erase and let's start over. Same type thing. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to start with 765 divided by 8. And I want to know if dividing by 10 is the same thing. Well, just look at that. That's the same number in the numerator, but in the denominator, we didn't multiply anything. We are not going to use that one. Okay, next one. Let me erase. 10 and 8 are not the same. Okay, same thing. Let me look at 76.5 divided by 8 tenths. Okay, did I multiply or divide by the same number? Well, if I look, I'm going smaller, so that means I'm dividing. Let's see what I did. Am I dividing by, I see that the decimal place has moved 1 place to the left. So that means I'm dividing by 10. Let's see if in our denominator, our divisor, did I divide by 10? My decimal's here. I'm moving 1 place to the left. Yes, I've divided by 10. Well, since I'm dividing by the same factor, yes, this right here, part C, will have the same value. All I've done is changed both the divisor and the dividend. Let's see if the next one works. Let me erase. I'm going to start again with 765 divided by 8. And I want to know if I've got the same thing when I have 765,000 divided by 8,000. All right, so this time I'm getting bigger, moving from small to big. That means I'm multiplying. Well, right here, I know I'm multiplying by 1,000 because I've added 3 zeros to the end of the number. Have I done the same thing here? I added 3 zeros on here. I'm multiplying by 1,000. We're multiplying the divisor and the dividend by the same factor. So yes, these will have the same value. Okay, let's look at that last one. Let me erase. On this last one, I still want to start with the original, 765 divided by 8. And I want to know if 76.5 is going to be the same thing as 8 thousandths. Well, here in the numerator, I'm going from a large number, 765, and I'm going to 76, so I'm dividing. And I've only moved the decimal 1 place over, so I'm dividing by 10. Let's see if I'm dividing by 10 from 8 to 8 thousandths. Well, if I'm dividing by 10, I'm moving my decimal 1 place over. Looks to me like we've moved our decimal 3 places over. So that means down here I've divided by 1,000. And it would be 2 more. And I would add those zeros in to get exactly that same. So now look right here. I've got divided by 10 and I've got divided by 1,000. Those are not the same factor. They're not the same number. So therefore, we're not going to choose that. That would not have the same value as the original. Thank you.